We are here today at the Hard Rock Hotel here in the Maldives.
We are so excited to give you a room tour of every available room type on property. This is a very cool new concept, and you have everything from studio rooms in 2-story buildings all the way up to the ROCKSTAR Villa.
We're going to show you all the available rooms today on property so you can make the best decision for what room is right for you.
We are in the Silver Beach studio. This is the entry-level room at the Hard Rock, so let's get started. The first thing we have here is the bathroom. You've got a really nice vanity, ample lighting, his and hers closets, as well as the shower, which is actually my favorite part of the room. We have the rain shower here, as well as the outdoor shower. This is a really nice feature that's only available in some of these suites, which are the duplexes and the Silver Beach villas. So let's move into the bedroom. And you'll also notice a lot of local art in all of the rooms, which gives a really nice pop of color that is on brand for the Hard Rock. Here you'll have the king bed. These rooms are also available as 2 twins, so you can come with a couple or as friends. There's also a pull-out sofa as well. And then of course you have a stunning beach view and a lagoon right there to go swimming in. Next, we're gonna head to the family-friendly duplex. We are in the Silver Family Duplex. This is actually one of my favorite room types, particularly if you're traveling as a family. There are 2 stories here, so it's perfect for either a group of friends or a family. This room we're looking at is set up for infants, so we're gonna show you some of the really cool features. Starting with the bathroom. This is mom and dad's room. This is gonna be much like every other bathroom in the villas in general. You're gonna have that same nice indoor and outdoor shower, as well as the toilet and his and hers closets. Now, moving over to the minibar area, you're gonna notice a couple of different things because it's set up for infants. You can actually pre-request items that you need for your kids. So things like milk warmers, diapers, all of that can be provided for you, so you don't need to bring any of that with you. You're also gonna notice the baby changing station that's been placed here, as well as the crib and the beautiful king bed with a great view. Kids are gonna have access to little tents and playthings as well. This is a really nice room in particular because you're on the corner of the beach. The water is super calm, so it's great for the kiddos. Now, my favorite feature of this room is actually the upstairs, so let's go take a look. And if you're traveling with kids, you'll notice there are gates here, so when you can close the gate, kids won't fall down the stairs. And as we move into the upstairs area, you'll notice it's really perfectly set up in the sense that you have a lot of light coming in from that duplex window. These beds are not twin beds as they are advertised, they are double beds, so they are much larger. And you're gonna have 2 of those as well as a pull-out trundle bed already set up for you if you are 3. There's a baby monitor already set up as well, so mom and dad can watch you from afar. And the bathroom here, similar to the one downstairs, this one is set up with the little kids' toilet seat as well, so it's perfect for a family and definitely recommend checking out this room. Now we're gonna head to the gold category of rooms. In the Gold Beach Villa here, it's going to be a bit larger than the silver level, so you're going to have a really nice big bathroom with a his and her vanity, as well as the rain shower. This villa does not have the outdoor shower that we saw in the silver level, but it does have a really nice rain shower and a spectacular bathtub. So this tub is really nice. You've got a nice tropical view outside right from your bath. And you'll notice there's a lot of local art in all of the rooms. They work with local artists to put together a lot of really nice local art pieces that really fit the brand. The king bed is beautiful. It's got a great ocean view. And what you'll see as well is the mini bar. And this is quite a bit larger than the silver level rooms. And when we look outside, we have a beautiful deck with the loungers and a stunning beach. We are in a platinum overwater pool villa, room 272. Let's go check it out. So when you first walk into the room here, you're going to notice a really nice big bathroom, very similar to the gold beach villas that we saw earlier with the double vanity, as well as the toilet fit for a rock star of that size, as well as a really nice shower. It is a rain shower. Unlike the beach villas, you're not going to have that outdoor shower, but you do have a really nice window out to the lagoon and you have the advantage of this really beautiful tub. So either way you're looking, you're gonna have a great view. Again, you'll notice all that beautiful artwork from a local artist. And they've done a really nice job in general with the windows in this hotel room. So you're going to notice all of the windows where you're always looking out at the ocean, as well as in the mirrors throughout the room. So you're going to see the king bed, beautiful sofa. This is a different style of sofa. So they do change out the decor depending on the room type. You have a mini bar, TV, and of course the beautiful view outside. You've got the lounge chairs, the pool, and a nice, beautiful view. From this side of the hotel, you can actually see Male, the capital city. So you're going to be able to see the lights at night, which I'm really excited about. And we have our infinity pool. So that is the Platinum Overwater Pool Villa. The Platinum Overwater Villa that does not have a pool has a hammock instead. Next up, we're going to go check out the second highest and the highest room types, the ROCKSTAR Royalty Villa and the ROCKSTAR Villa. We are now in the second highest room category. It is the Rock Royalty Suite. It has 2 bedrooms. So you'll see there is also a dining table setup, but let me show you the pantry as well. While you can't cook your own meals, it is a great little storage area if you wanted to prepare something easy. You also get the added bonus of an espresso, and it comes with a butler. This living room looks out on the pool. It really just combines the Platinum Overwater levels that has the hammock and the pool. So in this room type, you have both options. So in this room, we have 2 double beds. This is great for kids or friends as well. You have your own access to the patio outside, as well as your own bathroom. In the bathroom, you'll find a standard vanity set, a his and hers closet, really nice shower with a window outside, which is really nice. And by the way, isn't this view amazing? On the other side of the suite, you'll have the primary bedroom with its own access to the deck and its own bathroom. So you'll see the same setup on this side with the lounge chairs. You'll have a hammock right outside. And the favorite part of this room is the bathroom here. Very unique. You've got the his and hers vanity, as well as that nice bathtub and a shower that has glass that looks out as well. So you have a great view from the shower and the bathroom in general, as well as the his and hers closets. But let's take a look outside. And you'll see here the hammock and the overwater pool, which has a great view out towards Sky Lagoon, which is the other property located on this island makeup. And it's just a really nice lounge space. So this is the second highest room category. What do y'all think? Let us know in the comments. We are in the ROCKSTAR Villa at the Hard Rock. This is the highest room type. It is a 1-bedroom suite, but don't let that fool you because it is massive. And you've got all the memorabilia like Seabiscuit and the jukebox. The coolest thing ever is this living room, frankly, in this room. Check out this massive glass floor. I think this might be the largest one I have seen yet in the Maldives. Beautiful sofa. This is perfect for a bachelor party or just friend groups getting together. And you have a lot of space to hang out in this massive living room. There's also a dining room available in case you would want to eat inside, which why would you once you see the patio? But we got a full pantry, guest bath, and this actually connects to a Platinum Overwater Villa with a pool as well. So if you do want the 2 bedrooms, that is an option. We're gonna show you the outside before we head over to the master suite. The outside is really where it's at in this room. You've got this nice lounge area, hammock, pool, sitting areas, and the coolest feature ever, this tuk-tuk, which is actually a bar. It doesn't move, but I kind of wish it did. You have a full bar set up here, so if you are throwing a party, this is a pretty sweet option. Now let's head into the king room. This is going to be primary suite here in the villa. This is the only bedroom in this particular villa, but it's got a beautiful bed. It is quite different from the other room types as well. Slightly more elegant touch. We also have a record player with some art. They do also provide record players in all of the rooms if you request them, but here it just comes standard. And we've got some awesome records as well. This room also has a dressing room, so kind of like being backstage at a concert. You have a full lighting setup and the his and hers closets. The bathroom is absolutely stunning. It's got a nice big tub again, and this shower is very unique. We've got 2 shower heads and a third outside. I mean, this is like, you could have a party in here. Maybe that's what it's for. Who knows? And then you have a massive mirror that shows the entire bathroom and reflects the outside as well. Love all the little art that they draw on the mirrors here. And that is the ROCKSTAR Villa. This is an awesome room type. If you're willing to splurge a little bit, it is super fun, and who wouldn't want to have a party here?
That concludes our room tours. There are so many awesome room types here on property. Even if you want to stay for a little bit longer time, I think some of the 2-story studios are such an awesome opportunity because they're right on the beach. And this is one of the few places you're going to find that, because even if you go down to the Caribbean and you're paying for an all-inclusive, you're still part of a much bigger building. And here, being able to stay in those small ones is so
amazing.
Cool.
So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up.
And of course, make sure to go check out our hotel review that we did of the Hard Rock, as well as our other videos that we've done here at Crossroads. We have a lot more videos coming out from the Maldives, and if you're looking at booking a trip here to the Maldives, go check out our destination page at voyagerguru.com, where we have full written reviews of all of our stays, including links to all of our videos, vlogs, and hotel reviews.
And be sure to check us out on Instagram at Voyager Guru and daily tips on TikTok at Voyager Guru. And as always, I'm Maren.
And I'm Max.
And we're Voyager Guru. See you out there. And this shower is very unique. That's not the shower.
Yeah, what did you think that was?
That's the toilet.